Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore exposure settings back to default on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the camera hub, and it's an app for ELGATO cameras. Go over to device input and make sure that the ELGATO Facecam MK.2 is selected here. Now scroll a bit down until you see the exposure, and here you can easily restore it by clicking on this arrow. So as you guys can see, now it flickered. Let me show you guys. Let me do it again. As you guys can see, now it didn't flicker, but still it is restored back to default. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.